if you are on the mobile version, you can save this to your home screen and it'll look a little bit different than this on the mobile screen. I'll pull up a little video and you can actually click the three little buttons on your mobile device. A menu similar to this will pop up, and in there you will be able to see the option to add to home screen. Doing that will give you basically an app like any other app on your phone, which will be Areii, and it will get rid of this browser bar. I recommend doing this through Google Chrome, and I also recommend signing in and being on the dashboard when you save to home page, because it's going to save that page to your login. So if you are on the home screen, or the main indexing page is what it's called, if you're on that page when you save to your home screen, it will log you out, I do believe, every time. But this way here, you should stay logged in if you have those those settings set up on your phone already. So that's how you save to the home screen and turn your version of Areii into a mobile app.